This is my ExMark Lazer Z HP. It is model number that. It is engine. This engine is brand new, like about 2 years old, maybe less than 2 years old. It's a Kawasaki FH580V, and it was running perfectly fine until I messed with that throttle adjustment screw. I turned it about 1/4 inch. I'm trying to get the screw in there so you can see. I'll leave that right there. Okay. God damn it. Okay. That screw is right there. The lawnmower was surging, like when it's sitting there with the engine running and I'm not engaged, and it would surge. So I thought it was this throttle screw that I'm turning needed adjustment. And while the engine was running in parked position, I came to the back of the engine and turned the screw about 1/4 turn, and right when I did that, the engine killed, and it hasn't started for 2 days since then. So I don't know what happened, and this is what it sounds like when I go to start it, and this is what it's always been sounding like. Yeah, minimize. That's it. That's all I get out of it. It's got a full charge on the battery. The battery's brand new. The battery's only about 3 months old. The engine's about 1.5 years old. And I've adjusted that screw from screwed all the way in to all the way out. And that's all I will get out of the engine from that point forward. And when it killed the first time, all I did was turn that screw about 1/2 and the engine instantly died. And that was yesterday. And I have not been able to get this thing started since then. So any help or suggestions will be greatly appreciated. Thank you.